Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not showing videos. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and you simply need to click on inbox. So and here you need to check the system update that some of your video might as you can see there is no system notification. So here you can see that you can see a system notification here that your video might get any, you can see that ban from TikTok. So as you can see there is no issue from here. Then you simply need to go and check your internet speed and make sure that you have a good internet connection speed. So if you have a good internet connection speed, you simply need to check that is TikTok down right now. And if TikTok is down, you also see a great spike here like this, great spike. So it means that TikTok team is working on that. And the other method, you simply need to go and open Play Store and search for TikTok and update your TikTok application. Also you simply need to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the TikTok and you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and open TikTok, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.